The history of Patriots' Day. In Massachusetts, the third Monday in April means two things: Marathon Monday and Patriots' Day. The first event focuses on the Boston Marathon, while the second focuses on a distinct day in history that's been celebrated for over 120 years. So, what is Patriots' Day and why does this holiday hold a significant place in history? Patriots' Day is held on the third Monday in April every year. The origin of Patriots' Day goes back to April 19, 1775, when the battles of Lexington and Concord started. These battles of the American Revolution were the first steps the colonists took to gain independence from Great Britain. The actions of the colonists showed courage and bravery and is what led to the creation of the United States of America. This courageous nature is what's celebrated on Patriots' Day. In 1894, Governor Frederick T. Greenhalgh of Massachusetts wanted to replace Fast Day, a day of fasting and prayer that was not widely celebrated, with another holiday and chose Patriots' Day as its replacement. This holiday was set for April 19 on the calendar and commemorates the battles of Lexington and Concord as well as the Baltimore Riot of 1861, which was the first bloodshed event of the American Civil War. In 1897, the Boston Marathon became part of the Patriots' Day celebrations. In 1969, Patriots' Day was changed to the third Monday in April and the celebrations could be enjoyed on a 3-day weekend. Patriots' Day is officially celebrated in Massachusetts, Maine, and Wisconsin. Patriots' Day is celebrated with historical theme events, the Boston Marathon, and an annual Boston Red Sox game held at 11:05 a.m. at Fenway Park so baseball fans could catch the end of the race. The latter event is a tradition that began in 1959. No matter how you celebrate Patriots' Day, this is a good time to learn about the battles of Lexington and Concord and other historical events that occurred at that time. The battles of Lexington and Concord were the first military engagements of the American Revolutionary War. The battles were fought on April 19, 1775 in Middlesex County, province of Massachusetts Bay, within the towns of Lexington, Concord, Lincoln, Menotomy, present-day Arlington, and Cambridge. They marked the outbreak of armed conflict between the Kingdom of Great Britain and its 13 colonies in America. In late 1774, colonial leaders adopted the Suffolk Resolves in resistance to the alterations made to the Massachusetts colonial government by the British Parliament following the Boston Tea Party. The Colonial Assembly responded by forming a Patriot provisional government known as the Massachusetts Provincial Congress and calling for local militias to train for possible hostilities. The colonial government exercised effective control of the colony outside of British-controlled Boston. In response, the British government in February 1775 declared Massachusetts to be in a state of rebellion. About 700 British Army regulars in Boston, under Lieutenant Colonel Francis Smith, were given secret orders to capture and destroy colonial military supplies reportedly stored by the Massachusetts militia at Concord. Through effective intelligence gathering, Patriot leaders had received word weeks before the expedition that their supplies might be at risk and had moved most of them to other locations. On the night before the battle, warning of the British expedition had been rapidly sent from Boston to militias in the area by several writers, including Paul Revere and Samuel Prescott, with information about British plans. The initial mode of the Army's arrival by water was signaled from the Old North Church in Boston to Charlestown using lanterns to communicate, 1 if by land, 2 if by sea. The first shots were fired just as the sun was rising at Lexington. 8 militiamen were killed, including Ensign Robert Monroe, their third in command. The British suffered only 1 casualty. The militia was outnumbered and fell back, and the regulars proceeded on to Concord, where they broke apart into companies to search for the supplies. At the North Bridge in Concord, approximately 400 militiamen engaged 100 regulars from 3 companies of the king's troops at about 11 am, resulting in casualties on both sides. The outnumbered regulars fell back from the bridge and rejoined the main body of British forces in Concord. The British forces began their return march to Boston after completing their search for military supplies, and more militiamen continued to arrive from the neighboring towns. Gunfire erupted again between the two sides and continued throughout the day as the regulars marched back towards Boston. Upon returning to Lexington, Lieutenant Colonel Smith's expedition was rescued by reinforcements under Brigadier General Hugh Percy, a future Duke of Northumberland styled at this time by the courtesy title Earl Percy. The combined force of about 1,700 men marched back to Boston under heavy fire in a tactical withdrawal and eventually reached the safety of Charlestown. The accumulated militias then blockaded the narrow land accesses to Charlestown and Boston, starting the siege of Boston. Ralph Waldo Emerson describes the first shot fired by the Patriots at the North Bridge in his Concord hymn as the shot heard round the world. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.